Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You guys already know from this channel our own 2007 Toyota Tundra SR5 two-wheel drive. And from very beginning when I bought her, I tested the parking brake and it doesn't work. When you step on it, it goes all the way to the floor. Never did anything, and I didn't fix it yet because I wanted to film it for you. So I had to wait. I finally have a time, do some cancellation in the shop. So let's go and take care of it today together. Here we can see the location of the parking brake on this model. This is basically what I feel when I step on it. Did you see that? There was zero effort to push it all the way in. Yep, I can do it with a thumb. It's so easy. And it really, when you put it in reverse or in the drive, the truck will just start moving and it will not brake whatsoever. Now, I don't think there's anything wrong with that truck or something needs to be repaired. I think in my case it's more of the matter of adjustment of that parking brake system. So let's go look if we can successfully adjust it without repairing or replacing any parts. Equipped with the Harry Potter wand, which makes light. Ooh, we will discover the parking brake adjusting system. It's right here. This is the cable to the cabin, to the front. And this splits on two cables, which are going to the back wheels. And it's becoming immediately obvious when you grab this lever. Maybe I will use both hands. I will find immediately slack. There's, what is it? It's not half inch, but it's almost half inch. 9 millimeters maybe. If I pull on this, I know the brakes are not being engaged whatsoever. It's just the resistance of the spring here. And that can be immediately changed without creating any drag on the rear tires, rear wheels. I went to my toolbox and then grabbed two wrenches, 12 millimeters, because I need to crack it loose first. It was the nut, which was the contra nut securing this one from turning. And now I can start turning this one. I'm basically moving this rod out using this nut, adjusting nut. If you look from here, it's a clockwise motion. And I'm putting tension on that entire mechanism. I can still go. Totally. So I guesstimated it was almost like half inch, or I will say 8 millimeters. I can stop here because right now it's probably the sweet spot, and I can move this towards to it, but I will not secure it, tight it yet. Let's go look on the rear wheels to make absolutely sure they are still freely moving. Here we have our driver's side. Yeah, there's absolutely no resistance in it. Let's look on the other side. Here's the Prius. Waiting services and maintenance and care. This Prius needs love. It was so mismanaged. Previous owner never got any care. Look at that. This is absolutely free. We don't have any drag on that parking brake system. You can totally run back. And if you want to have it perfect, you can turn it more, because we clearly confirmed that there's zero drag. Of course, be careful with it, because if you will pull it too far, you will end up in the situation when you will be braking all the time. Even if it's little, you will wear the parking brake shoes, possibly overheat the brakes and so on. So I will be very careful. I will go just tiny bit. Let's go. I did maybe one full turn on it, maybe. Again, this is the way I will deal with it. Yep, this is completely free, you can see it. It's not a problem with it. So let's go back to here, and I will probably leave it that way for now, and we will see in the cabin what is the difference. Because I think that is done, I'm finished with it. I will hold the adjusting nut, and then I will put a tension using the other nut, and that will mean they will be not rotating and the adjustment will be not lost. I think we move it definitely ½ inch. Of course, we cannot forget that at the very beginning, the shoes inside of the drum, which in this case is a rotor, the rear brake rotor, but it serves as a drum for the parking brake shoes. We have to make sure the shoes are not gone, they are not too thin. These ones are good. It looks to me still like a 2 millimeters. I will use the brake cleaner and clean them. But here is the first adjustment. It doesn't really make much sense, because this can be adjusted only so far that there is no slack in this area. But you cannot get away with coming here, taking it apart, because there's no access from outside on this model. So you have to remove all of this, and you have to first adjust this wheel, which is spreading basically the parking brake shoes so they are nice, tight, firmly in the drum. Meaning, what I mean with that, there's no tolerance, there's no space, or absolutely minimal space between the shoes and the wall of the drum. Only after that you have perfectly tuned system which will perfectly work for you. As I open these, the shoes where the diameter was too small, there's definitely needs to be adjustment on this wheel to make the fit nice and tight, and that only that will make it work perfectly. Let's see how successful this was. Let's squeeze in the cabin. The Tundras are wide, it's not so easy to get in those. And here is the parking brake pedal. You remember, I can push it with a finger all the way to the floor. Let's see the resistance right now. Oh, yeah. Oh guys, different story. I will do it again. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. This actually will be good. I bet you when I will put in the reverse without touching the throttle and have it fully to the floor, the truck will not move. And for those who love the numbers, I have a treat. 2007 owner's manual. And we can get technical here. It says in the brakes, in the section in the back, parking brake adjustment. Pedal type when depressed with the force of 300 newtons, which is 67 pounds of feet. The pedal should go 6 to 9 clicks. 6 to 9 clicks. So let's go and find a weight. 300 newtons. Do 300 newtons pressure. Let's go and see if it goes 6 to 9 clicks. I adjusted my leg right here, 300 newtons. I have a dial on the side, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I barely can move it. Yep. I guess we succeeded. It's a 9 clicks. And let's see if it's fully depressed, those 9 clicks, if it will hold the vehicle. Normally, if that brake doesn't work, you will put it in reverse, you will start moving. So I will let go of the brake pedal, and as you can see, we are not moving and it's in reverse. You can see it in the instrument cluster here in reverse. My feet are off the brakes and we are not moving. Success! I hope you will find this video helpful with adjusting your own parking brake. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.